What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details. Kenny behind the camera. Today is Friday. Show you what's going on in the shop this week. We just finished up. This will be leaving today. 2011 Corvette. Come in for a single stage polish, mild paint correction. Removed roughly about 80% of the swirl marks. Car come out beautiful, and then we done a coating with the Ammo Reflex Pro. Interior went over it, but absolutely stunning example of some of the work we do here. This is in direct sunlight, come out really nice, that beautiful yellow color. So that one's leaving today. Then we got some more going on here. We got the 2010 Audi R8. Doing some more PPF on this one here. Then we have a 2022 AMG 63S. I guess they call this a sedan, don't they? I was going to a coupe. All right, I was going to SUV, but a coupe. This is a full wrap with Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion, 10-year warranty, made in the USA. Rims off, coated with Expel. Calipers are going to be coated as well. And I believe we're doing some interior coatings on this. So this one's going to be starting Monday. Absolutely beautiful, really cool vehicle. So we got that one going to be starting Monday. Then we're just finishing up this, the 2018 Mercedes AMG. That's a 63 as well, isn't it, Kenny?
Yep, bi-turbo.
Bi-turbo 63. We fully wrapped this in Expel Stealth. Every part on it's been wrapped. Get that camera up there and show that. Check out the lines. Come out absolutely stunning. So we got we got Victor doing some touch-ups on the interior. It was a full interior as well. This car will be back. We're doing some more. He wants to do all the trim and everything like this around the window edges, the black trim. He wants to get that protected as well. Budget, because it come in for a full frontal, but then it turned into a full wrap, so it come out absolutely stunning. This car will be leaving on Monday at the end of the day. So really cool vehicle, but come out great. Guys did a killer job on this. We'll take you inside here. This is a 2022 AT4 Duramax diesel truck, GMC. We got Cody and Jose over here getting ready to put the bumper on it. So we did a full frontal on this with Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion. Mirrors, door cups, door seals when you open the door. A-pillars we done the top of the roof line over the hillbilly lights up to the sunroof. And then they're in the process of doing a full frontal on this. It's almost complete. They just got to do this bottom bumper, and then they're going to attack the hood here today. And that'll be leaving on Monday as well. Then we have Jay working on this 2022 Lexus RX 450h hybrid. This is also a full wrap Expel Fusion, built-in ceramic coating, rims off, calipers and rims will be polished and then coated. And also the interior, we're going to be doing the Dr. Beasley's Leather Lock Pro and the cream on this, all the leather seats and trim, and then we'll be using the Expel Fusion carpet coating for all the carpet surfaces inside to be fully protected. I think this car's only got 50 miles. It come right out of Chicago straight to us. So it is about 95% complete. Jay's up front now, just finishing off the bumper. He's got these two doors and then the rear bumper and a roof piece. And then everything else is wrapped on this vehicle. And then that one will be leaving sometime next week. We also have we got two Teslas coming to, yeah, so we have 2022 Tesla Model Y coming in for a full wrap. We also have a 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid for a full stealth wrap. It's that Tesla blue, it's really pretty, but he wants to stealth it out, so that's gonna look really cool. So we're gonna do some in-depth video on that as well to show the work, because you know it's gonna be door handles off and stuff like that. So we got that one, and we have a Mini Cooper, John Works edition. Pretty cool of a car. It's got the you know, the wide body front end and stuff on it, and that one's going to be coming here in about a week or two. We also, don't forget guys, I've already mentioned it, it's got a little delayed up in Chicago, but we have the new Acura NSX that was going to be coming to our shop. One of only 325 or 350 produced, and that is it. And we're fully wrapping that with XPEL Ultimate Plus Fusion as well, with a few other little things. So that's going to be a really cool video. Christina's in the office getting things. I know it's hard to talk about this right now, but the holiday seasons are coming up very quickly. As we've always got gift certificates, guys. We just completely redesigned them, so those will be here next week. So we have gift certificates for birthdays, you know, parties, Christmas, whatever you want them for. No expiry dates on them at all for any amounts. So check those out. Also go to attentiontodetails.net. Check out our new website. Fully loaded. All of our videos are on there. More being uploaded all the time. YouTube. Check out our YouTube channel, Instagram, and our Facebook. We've always got educational videos on there as well to show you guys exactly what we do here and how we try to do the best and exceed. One thing we don't usually talk about in this field is, people never want to talk about it, is comebacks. So the one I'm getting ready to say to you really is not a comeback to us per se, but what it is after speaking to my awesome team here. If you guys remember the video we put out last week of the 2022 Porsche Macan S, we did a full wrap on it. One of the most difficult hoods to do in the field right now is the Porsche, that particular model. So we like to bulk everything on hoods to make it seamless, for there's no relief cuts. My guys did several attempts, come out beautiful, but we had some overstretching because the stretch on this hood is crazy. So we're actually going to film the whole job, the next one, the mistakes, everything. So long story short, what I'm doing is the customer that owns the vehicle loved the job, he was happy with it, but we had to put on the hood that comes out of our DAP machine right from XPEL, and it has a couple of release cuts where we butt it up. Come out beautiful, but I got a hold of him the other day and I said, hey listen, it's been bugging my team and myself. We want it no cost to you. We want to bring your vehicle back and redo the hood at our expense to do it seamlessly, because there's only been a couple guys that's actually knocked this out that my knowing of on this hood. So we're not going to stop until we get it right. So we'll have that car coming in here next Wednesday, and we'll start the process of taking the film off the hood that we did, and then we're going to set up cameras and show you exactly what we do here and how important this is to my guys that they succeed in things like this, because we're always pushing the envelope. So that's some of the things we do here. The customer, again, was totally happy with it, said it looks great. I'm the one that brought it up to him, and he said, yep, that's not a problem. We didn't have to do it, but we want to go that extra mile. That's what we do here. If we see something we don't like, we don't let it go out the door until it's fixed properly. And again, this one kind of bugged us and our team, so it's going to be a really interesting video, so check that out. Am I remembering everything, Kenny? I believe we got everything down here. So yeah, so that's, look for that video on the Porsche. When it comes in next week, I'm going to remind everybody about it. But again, check out all our social media platforms. Share them if you can. It helps us grow. And as usual, this is Brian with The Official Details in Chesterton, Indiana. Love and happiness. Peace.